start by passion. So my passions are creating worlds and building worlds, especially this one. And especially by education and culture and art. We're special in art. Art makes us realize we are all connected. We feel together and we feel like the same. We feel like one. So artists are the great leaders, I think, because artists are sensitive enough to feel the people and to do things, amazing things, more than just concerts or football players as football players. You know, they can change world. So I'm here fighting also for a project. It's called Artists for the Global Peace, because I really think that artists can make a difference in this world. And, well, what is a leader? Who is a leader? A good leader. I can think about leaders who I admire in history, like Mandela, Gandhi, Martin Luther King. They were great leaders, right? But they end up being killed or in jail. So what's the message of history for us here? Do not fight for the right things, right? But just follow the protocol, that's the message. But I'm not here to follow the protocol. We are not here, we didn't travel the entire world to be here just to follow the protocol, right? So I think that these powerful guys right here and right here, they should be with us, just as one, okay? Not just like Korea or Philippines or Brazil or Uruguay or the United States, just like one. We are in the same world. Just like artists feel their audience like one, we are one. Okay. So that's it. Please welcome my kind fellow Amy from Uruguay.